Hello, welcome to Ecoholics. Let us now answer a question which was asked in 2018 Indian Economic Service examination. Explain with a diagram why the compensated demand curve is vertical if the consumer's utility function is of the form so and so. Now, let us have a quick overview or try to remember that what was this utility function. This utility function U is equal to minimum of X and Y. This is the utility function for perfectly complementary goods. It means that commodity X and commodity Y will be consumed together by the consumer, or there will be a joint demand. In case more units of X are available but lesser units of Y are available, the utility will conform to the lesser quantity, that of Y. Therefore, it represents minimum value of X and Y. Graphically, we'll be doing the same here. We can also try to remember that this utility function U is equal to minimum of X by ensures that the quantities of X and Y demanded, they will always be the same. The demand equation for commodity X and commodity Y can be denoted in this format. X and Y, both of them will be consumed together and they will have the same demand. So XY will equal the income spent or the income of the consumer by the price value of commodity X and price of Y. So this gives us a rough overview and a quick demand value for both the commodities in a complementary situation. Let us understand the mathematical variant of the same problem, because here the question has specifically asked us, explain with a diagram why the curve in this perfectly complementary goods, why does the curve, compensated demand curve, follow a vertical line? We will start our analysis by firstly taking the price line . This price line will be at equilibrium with the indifference curve. Indifference curve in the case of perfectly complementary goods is an L-shaped indifference curve. This is marked as IC1. This shows that the commodities X and Y, they will be consumed together by the consumer and they will be getting utility value equivalent to IC1, which is giving, say, U1 as the value. At this point of tangency, we have the desired quantity for good X, and let us assume that the prices of good X, the price of good X is Px dash here. In case the price of good X now increases, or let's say it decreases, let us also do some quick markings. AB is the original price line, AB dash is the new price line. At this new price line, we will have the consumer reaching a higher level of utility shown by a parallel indifference curve to the original IC1. So somewhere like this, we will show IC2, which is equivalent to utility value U2. At this point of tangency, the consumer reaches his new level of satisfaction. But we know that in the case of compensated demand, the consumer's new demand curve will have to be compensated for the changes in his real income. So here we will make the price line AB dash shift inwards so that the new price line is parallel to AB dash but tangent to the old utility level. So the compensated demand curve also always follows the old utility level. Utility level always remains the same here. So here we can say that this red line is the new price line where the consumer is compensated for the change in his purchasing power. So at the new prices PX2, the consumer is still at this old point of equilibrium and the quantity purchased will be at the same level. So the 2 points that we had marked depicting the relation between price of commodity X and quantity of commodity X when the prices were changing. This line is a straight line. This is a vertical line. This is nothing but the compensated demand for good X, which is a complementary good. So here, through a graph, we have understood that in case of perfectly complement goods, the compensated demand curve will always be a vertical line. So we can understand and remember that any question asked in any competitive exam can be easily tackled if we are well versed with the concepts. So for more questions and more solutions to those questions, please subscribe to our channel and let us know what else would you like to hear from us. Thank you.